Hi, I'm teacher Morgan, but just call me Morgan. I studied civil engineering and then worked in Japan. While in Japan, I found happiness in teaching my Japanese friends how to speak English, and it makes me smile looking at them learning and the way they show their gratitude towards me. I also have experience in talking and dealing with English speakers, for I am once a speaker and a member of one big network company here in our country. I recommend myself to students of all levels. Since I can speak Japanese, I can help students learn English in an easier manner. Nevertheless, I am much happy to have any students who would want me as their teacher. Thank you.